In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Systeme account or system account. Okay, so you come to this page and you enter in your email. That's the first thing you're going to do. You're going to enter in your email. And when you enter in your email, it's going to redirect you to this page. It says almost there. You need to confirm your email address by clicking the link we've just emailed you. So you now have to go to your email, Gmail account, whatever email you put, and then look for the welcome email. So what confuses a lot of people is that they scroll down and they look at all these offers and then they panic. They panic because they're thinking, oh my God, I thought they said it was free. Why is it saying I should pay some money? Does it say pay 197 every year? And people panic. Do not panic. Just do not scroll down. It is a software. They're always going to sell you something. They're always going to do some kind of marketing just in case you want to buy, want to get a higher package. But if you want the free package, ignore everything below. Okay? Ignore everything below. Ignore this page below and just go to your email. This is where you want to focus, where it says almost there. And once you click on that link, it will redirect you to creating your password. And there you go. You now have a Systeme free account. And I'm going to show you what you're going to see when you complete the process. So when you log into your new account, it's going to say a two-factor authentication verification code, which has been sent to my device, my email. So all I need to do, or all you need to do, is go to your email, get the code, and enter it in. So I'm going to do that for myself now because I just created this account for learning purposes. So my code that I got is just going to put it in. Okay, so you always respond to the information given to you on the screen. So I'm going to sign in, and here I'm in my new Systeme account that is free. Okay, and it's free for 2,000 subscribers. I'm just going to show you. So this is what you get in your free. Okay, this is your free account. Freemium, 0 every month. Contacts, 2,000 subscribers. Contacts inside your email. Leads, let's say leads, not subscribers, 2,000. Sales funnels, 3. Sales funnel steps, 15. So these are like the pages within your sales funnels. You can't have more than 15. Once you have more than 15, then you're going to get a notification that you've gone over your plan. So you check all this. You can host a course. You can set up an automation rule. You can set up your tags, one tag in one email campaign. So if you have more than one email campaign, you would need to upgrade. Okay. And then to upgrade, this is the plan. It's 30 a month. But if you go annual, there should be an option for annual. When you do annual, it gives you 30% discount. And personally, I think it's a very good deal when you compare what Systeme provides for you in comparison to other platforms that do similar service. I think $274 for the whole year is a really good deal. Okay. And so, and that's it. So let me know if you have any questions. I hope that this has clarified the confusion of I'm trying to get a Systeme free account, but it's asking me to pay. So I hope that this has clarified it. But if you have any questions, do comment on the video, okay? And I'll pick it up there and I will do a video response. Thank you and see you on the next video.